I love a fox eye, like an elevated snatch on the face.
Hi everyone, I am Jaden, the owner of Lash Icon, and I'm so excited to be offering full-length lash education videos now. We're going to be getting into a little bit of everything. Of course, I specialize in lash styling, so it's going to be a bunch of tips there. It's going to be videos like today where I'm doing full-length tutorials over trendy lash style. Even further, I feel like this is missing a lot, but I'm going to show you all how to up your marketing game in the lash industry, not just with those same boring old tricks, but with the new digital age way. How do you get ahead using AI and all the little digital things that I do, so when I leave work, I am done with work? But in today's video, my model is beautiful with narrow eyes, and she requested a fox look, so let's get into the styling. Because I noticed with your eyes, you have more like a narrow eye shape. When I do catty, foxy looks, it really gives that elevated supermodel effect.
Yeah.
So I kind of already got something in mind. So a cat eye will be great for that because it'll help really highlight your cheekbones. And we got to do that for this event.
Yes.
I feel like your lash style definitely is a foxy look. I'm thinking we go with a L curl. Have you ever heard of an L curl? It's literally shaped like an L lash.
Yeah.
Goes from like straight to just lifted up towards outer. L curl gives that same effect, but it's foxier, right?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, let's go.